Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDC from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC seamlessly between exchanges, this guide is perfect for you, especially with the latest updates making transfers faster and more secure. Let's dive right in. First off, why do this? USDC is a stablecoin that's super handy for trading, and switching from Uphold to Gemini can give you better features or lower fees. Before we start, ensure you have verified accounts on both platforms and some USDC in your Uphold wallet. Also, double-check that you're aware of any 2025 network fees or minimum withdrawal amounts to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head to the dashboard and locate your USDC balance. Click on the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there in the wallet section. Step 2. Select USDC as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Gemini account. Step 3. In Gemini, go to your wallet and find your USDC address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the Gemini USDC address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it meets the minimum requirements. Review everything, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or two-factor authentication for security. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Ethereum network, which USDC uses, this might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to confirm the USDC has arrived. A quick tip. Always use the correct network. Stick to Ethereum for USDC to avoid lost funds. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify details twice. There you have it. You've successfully withdrawn USDC from Uphold to Gemini. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.